Hello, beautiful family. Welcome back to the channel. It's Delphine with What Opportunity. Yes, we have this freelancer.com. We can make money on this platform. Let me show you how you can access. And starting with this, receive $10 on your freelancer wallet when you sign up as a client today. So it means if you sign up as a client, you will get $10. That's a must, okay? That is number one benefit you can get on this platform. And if you go down, you will see they explain to you how this platform works, how this website works. You can see if you want to post project, if you want to find or hire someone to freelancers, someone to do your task, if you want some rewards or payment. Also, if you want to work and approve as a freelancer, use freelancer to chat, share files, collaborate with your freelancer. So work and approve, it means that you can work with freelancer, know how to chat with freelancer, know how you can release your file and collaborate with freelancers. Also how you can pay freelancer. Okay, so you pay freelancer when you are certified, but here we are looking for opportunity. We are not interested in this how it works or anything. So for us, we are looking for how to be freelancer on this platform. You can see that they have different section. For example, they have this skills developers, design and creative, blogger and writer, mobile app, sales and marketing, CEO experts, and so many more. So those are the tasks that you can find on this platform. So there is freelancer. You can have this app in your phone. Once you get project, it's not a must. You can use your computer, you can use wherever, as long as you access the communication with someone who gave you the project. Alright, so yeah, there is some testimonies here. They say that Freelancer Pride Recruiter service is built. They provide premier freelancer at affordable rates to cater at your development related needs. It means that some people are accessing this platform to get freelancers. So for us, we're interested to get a job. For example, if you click here to careers, most of the time careers be on the top of the website. You can see that they say that it's 100% remote with global having 10 teammates or less. So they have so many people working on this platform, and this platform is growing really fast because it crossed more than 1 million marks of activities user worldwide since 2019. So as you can see, it's a known website. They say that we put high emphasis on work and life balance. So if you click here on view the position, opening position, you can see, for example, they have this one, Backend Engineer. It's worldwide. If you see freelancer, truefreelancer.com is global freelancing marketplace platform with network of more than 1 million freelancer from 132 countries providing services in various different skills. So as you can see, they have like another position of internship. So don't be discouraged to see the internship on this platform, because if you don't have a job, you can even invest in this internship. Yes, they will not give you the money that you want, but you will gain skills, which is really, really important to work on this platform in the future. Let's say you did internship on this platform and later on they need people to start to work in their project, they will start with you. So it's a good opportunity as well. So if you see, they say this first position is from New Delhi and it is work type is full type, it's back-end engineer. You don't worry about anything thinking that it's the job is in New Delhi. But guys, you can see they say that they work with freelancer worldwide. So there is no need to say, okay, I'm not gonna apply, I'm not in New Delhi. Yes, 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 apply. By your chance, you can get a job on this platform. Again, it's freelancer.com. Right on your Google browse, type freelancer.com. You will try to see all these opening position. Also, you can register as freelancer on this platform by sign up with them. All right, so for example, this back-end engineer, you see the responsibility: define API model, define database model, optimize services for maximum performance. Here there is a requirement required to have like a little bit knowledge of what they would be working on. But guys, if you are not aware of these things, if you ever worked on these things, try to apply that other maybe internship, because if you apply your CV is not related to what you are applying, this is not really good, because it's like a waste of time. If you know all these things, for example, me, I'm not aware about SQL, but I know that it's about this software or anything that they use. You can find it, you can learn all this knowledge. For example, if you come close on this position where they ask you to have this knowledge, don't apply if you don't have those knowledge. But guys, you can learn those new knowledge. Now you are aware that some of the position need that skills. All right, so this is the requirement. Asset requirement is a laptop. So other than that, they need all this. Read carefully. I'm not here to say that you will apply to this specific position. My purpose is to present to you this website. It means that even if you don't apply today, maybe you can apply later on or next month. All right, so just add this platform on your list. Actually, normally for what I do, I have like Excel sheet. I advise you to have the same Excel sheet where you can post all your links. If you have applied, you can take a tick. If you have applied maybe in 6 months, you can go back and check if there is other position. So have a notebook or Excel sheet that you will record all your information to apply. Applying the job is really hard, but guys, with all your effort, I know you can make it, and at any time keep pushing, because even if you don't do anything, the job will not come to you. So you have to try to see if you can get a job. So this is the requirement for this position. Let's go back to the other position. So this one is internship UI UX design intern. So they need Freelancer is global freelancing platform. As you can see, they need you to be there. They said the first responsibility is design UX for new product. Second responsibility is maximizing landing page for better conversion. Refresh existing design following best practice. All these three of them are the responsibility that you will get on this internship. Remember, they will train you. Internship is about learning, okay? If you feel like you are not interested in these two positions which are available today, let me go back and show you how you can sign up with them, right? It's at freelancer.com. You can go here. They say find freelancer if you need them, find job if you need a job, or sign up with them. So to sign up with them, there is no any other things like apart to be freelancer. Just you can sign up with your Google or your Facebook or anything that is good for you or easier for you. They say that global platform to hire freelancer and search jobs freelancer from 132 countries with more than 2,300 skills and plus skills. So for freelancer, get hired, complete work and get paid. For client, post project, review proposal, also shortlist or compare freelancer. Get your project done. So guys, yeah, this is the website that I wanted to present to you. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Keep applying, never be discouraged if you don't have a job. If your friend don't have a job, please share with them. So again, you might even have a job, but you need to try making money online, or you need to try as a side hustle. Yes, you can make it, guys. Keep pushing. I believe in you. Let's meet to the next video. Bye bye.